Hello everybody, I'm Zurnita with a deliciously decadent yet super easy recipe for keto chocolate truffle. The base is a simple ganache for which you need only 3 ingredients. A bar of dark chocolate. I'm using dairy, but if you want, you can substitute that with a coconut or plant-based whipping cream. And I'm adding 25 to 30 drops of liquid stevia, but you can use your favorite sweetener. To melt the chocolate, I'm using a double boiler on the stove. You can do it in a microwave instead. I'm adding and whisking in the stevia. Optional are some vanilla or vanilla extract or an essence of your choice. I'm mixing until everything is shiny and there are no bumps and lumps. And the base for the dessert is ready. Ready to be poured in some forms or cups. After refrigerating for a couple of hours, you can garnish or decorate it to your taste. And the result is delicious and satisfying chocolate dessert. If you want to form round or proper keto truffles, leave the whole bowl with the mixture in the refrigerator overnight. With the help of a spoon, form small ganache balls and then roll them in cocoa powder. If you are a fan of chocolate as well, give this video a thumbs up. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!